Welcome back to another 4 High Garage episode where we're going to dive in and try to figure out why the rear door lock actuator, I can hear it doing things, but it's not doing things here. So let's dig into this thing and figure out what's going on. Okay, it looks like all I need is a long Phillips head screwdriver. Long, maybe not this long. But did anybody ever complain about length? Let's go. There we go. And one right here in the middle of that. Need a popping tool. There it goes. Okay, and it should just kind of come up and out. And then, there we go. And those two guys are out. Looks like a pinch and pull. Maybe. There we go. Okay. So the arms go down that hole, and then that slides over the arm to click into it, and vice versa. The black one, it goes up and in, and you can see one goes down and one goes up. Set that aside. Pull this back. Betting it's this guy. What is that? Let's get you in here. All right, I'm betting it's this door mechanism because I think it's all in one. My understanding is the power unlock and unlock and everything is just in this one unit, and they probably just get dirty from the trail. All right, so the thing I need to make note to myself is the arm that's at the top here actually goes down and is the bottom one here. Remember, the bottom one points down and the top one points up. So they kind of crisscross here. So make a note so that when I pull stuff apart, I don't forget. All right, start yanking this thing apart. That is a T30.
Dad?
Yeah.
Can I tell you a joke?
Yeah.
Why can't you use Elsa a balloon?
Why can't you give Elsa a balloon? Because she might let it go?
Close. Really close. Because she will let it go.
She will let it go. That's a good one. All right, drops down and out. Look at that guy. Whew. That is dirty. Wow. You can definitely sit and pull this apart, clean it all up. Looks like there's a couple of bolts there. Get it nice and lubricated. Yeah, it looks like those go through, and I bet you that's the other end of it. And let's see. Yep, I can see it rotating. So pulling those two looks like it'll pull all that stuff apart, and you can get in there and just clean it up, lubricate it, put it back in. I, on the other hand, already have a set pulled from a junkyard in my spare time. Cleaned them up. Actually, a buddy of mine cleaned them up and gave these to me. So I think I'm just going to move rods over and put it back in, see if it works. Second thought, I'm going to plug it in and test it. So it looks like it's already in the lock. Position. Or maybe not. Ah, there we go. Okay, so there's the lock mechanism. Look at that. Nice. Not sure how we get this to pop back. Oh. That's how we get it to pop back. Okay. I think she's good. That's good. Yeah, I see him. Oh. All right. We're going to do the other side too. Which this one should be that side. But I think the plug's the same. So while we're at it, ow, let's test it. All right, we're watching that guy right there. Lock. Unlock. Groovy. Swap these over. There it goes. Like that. And come over to this guy. Pop them on. And this one. Or whatever. So we get it into place. In she goes. Get the wire on. Oh, come on. You came out of there. You can go back in. Nope. Aha. All right. So on the wimpy setting. All right. The last thing we need to hook up is the. Okay. Let's see if I can shine a light in here. This is the push button from the outside. Oh, I was gonna. Oh well, we'll shoot some lubricant in there anyway. A second, that just goes in there, and then I'm getting this and that clips down. There we go. Yeah. Looks pretty good. Button is still a little stiff, so gonna blast some lubricant in there. Oh yeah. That's nice. All right. That's pretty much it. Now we put it all back together. Got the plug in, got all that bolted down. We need to jam that through there. Kind of stick what's left of the gooey in there, like so. All right. Plug the plug in. That's that. Get these bars lined up. Oh. There we go. There we go. Oh. Feels good. All right, here's the test. Lock. Unlock. Yeah. All right, folks, thanks for tuning in for another quick and easy. Man, I'm just destined to be the channel of innuendos. I don't know. Sorry about that. Hey, and if you have any tips or pointers for this kind of repair or taking apart the actual actuator, leave it down in the comments. If you want to see me take it apart and go through it, leave down in the comments. I don't think there's a whole lot to it. I think the electrical part of it is probably completely sealed, and all you're doing is taking it apart, cleaning up all the levers and springs and stuff like that are in there, and re-greasing, putting it back together. But if you want to see that, leave a comment down below. I guess I could do a short little video on that as well. All right, snack time. This is going to be another weird one. This is, I'm going to butcher how to pronounce it because I believe it's an Indian treat. I had to look up some of this stuff, I'll be honest. Bakarwadi? It looks like cinnamon rolls. Of course, that's why I bought it. And it's from an area called, it says from the heart of Gujarat, I guess. And I looked it up. It's I don't know if it's a province or what they call their states in the country of India, but let's give it a shot. Let's see what it smells like. It smells more herbal than sweet. I think it just tore what it was. Here we go. Ingredients: chickpea flour, wheat flour, refined palm oil, sugar, green chilies, spices, iodized salt, sesame seeds, and a word I can't pronounce, and malic acid. Let's turn my phone off. How rude. Alrighty. Let's give it a shot. It's crunchy. kind of tastes like those, you know, when like your parents would get that fancy pack of crackers and there was always the like brown wheat wafery kind of looking cracker that tasted terrible. It's like a better version of that. It just has a hint of sweetness to it, but it's mostly spices. Little spicy. I'm not so sure I like it. I'm not like spitting it out in disgust. I'm obviously eating more than one piece. It might be something that would grow on me. The hot is starting to grow. I don't know how else to describe it. Let's see if you can see it, but it looks like a fried cinnamon roll. But that's definitely some seasons. Yeah. I think I'll pass. All right, that's the conclusion. Thanks for watching this far, and like and subscribe, do all that YouTube stuff. I appreciate you hanging out with me. Till next time.